Have you ever wanted to try water fasting but didn't have a courage to do it? Or would you love to uplevel your life, especially spiritually? My goddess friend, this video is just perfect for you. In today's video, I am going to share my personal experience with a 3-day water fast and 3 elegant simple steps if you would love to try it and elevate your life to the next beautiful level. Hello my beautiful friend, welcome back to Otokucha Life. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Mana and on this channel we explore the art of living with true beauty, elegance and health. If you love learning about holistic, truly luxurious, beautiful and elegant lifestyle and want to uplevel yourself, please subscribe and join our best community. Today, I will share my personal experience with a 3-day water fast, what it's like and how you can do it with elegance and joy. Let's get started. Before we jump into the water fast experience, I would love to share my personal story with you about why I decided to do it. I became vegan almost 2.5 years ago. And a year ago, I discovered medical medium. Have you ever heard of it? This was very eye-opening for me because I thought being vegan meant I was already super healthy. But this took my health to the next level. I gradually eliminated certain foods such as sugar, wheat, or grains that I felt like it's not serving my body, especially for the skin. Then I finally completely stopped eating those foods. Then I was wondering, are there any people who eat like me? Then I finally discovered the raw vegan lifestyle. I became a raw vegan at the end of June this year, and a month later, since I was learning about the raw vegan lifestyle from my favorite role models, as you may already know, Mr. Merkers, Miss Kara, and Mr. Ru, I had this calling and nudging that I heard the water fasting is very detoxing, healing, cleansing, and very spiritual experience. And I became so interested in and I wanted to try it for feeling more spiritual and to connect with my deepest truth. So I decided to do this 3-day water fasting. I felt I was craving a bit more fruit such as bananas than usual, maybe because my body knew that I'm going to water fast. But I stopped eating around 3 p.m. as usual. Since I was very excited for that spiritual moment after the water fast, I had actually quite a lot of energy on day 1. The great thing was that I was able to get things done more than usual and I actually had more inspirations and ideas. On day 2, I felt quite dizzy because I had not eaten anything, but I had learned in advance that day 2 or day 3 might be the hardest physically and emotionally, so I decided to stay more relaxed during the day and I did some stretching, meditating, and visualization more. As I expected, I felt so spiritual. All the senses became so clear and I had more crystal clear ideas and inspirations. It is very challenging to express in my words, but you can truly feel it from the energy. I absolutely felt more connected to my deepest truth and the universe. I just love it so much. It was magical and a wonderful experience that I truly recommend. Since I was not eating after 3 p.m. on the pre-day, I decided to break it at almost the same time. It was summer, so I went out and I got some fresh fruits and vegetables. I had a watermelon and vegetable smoothie. and my body was truly appreciating all the fruits and vegetables more than ever. It was one of the most beautiful moments I've ever experienced. I personally wanted to let go of negative feelings and be more clear about my business before the fasting. And guess what? The negative feelings are gone and I had so much clarity for both personal and business in my life after the water fasting. I believe this is one of the best decisions we can make for ourselves. Fasting is the best if you want to have more energy and clarity, especially for your life vision, mission, and purpose. And also if you want to cleanse emotionally and mentally, it will absolutely help you. Water fasting makes you more relaxed, calm, and peaceful in life and helps you to stay closer to your beautiful truth. If you would love to try it for spiritual reasons, I highly truly recommend it. You will be able to see more beauty and appreciation around you, and it will lead you to be a more true version of yourself. So those are my personal experiences with 3-day water fasting. Would I love to do it again? Absolutely. I would love to try even longer, such as 7-day water fasting, but I usually do intermittent fasting every day, such as I don't usually eat after 3 to 5 p.m. to 8 a.m. So it's almost 16 hours. So maybe once or twice in a year will be wonderful. Now you may have some questions about water fasting, and I would love to answer them from my personal experience. It is absolutely safe. We are very conditioned to believe that we need to eat 3 times in a day, but this is actually too much for our bodies. Fasting is the fastest way to heal when you are feeling sick or not feeling well. If you research, especially amazing raw vegan people can even do 7-day or 1 month water fasting. If you are interested, I'm putting the links, so please check them out. I believe it is absolutely up to you. I think you can do it by yourself for up to 7 or 1 month. But if the environment pushes you to eat, it might be easier to go to a fasting place to do it. Not at all. You may feel more sensitive or vulnerable during the fast, but you can actually have more energy because the body doesn't have to digest all the food all the time. For me personally, on the second day, after meditating, I even did a workout as usual and I enjoyed it. You may want to go to bed earlier during the fasting and get a good enough night's sleep and rest, but you don't have to stay still. Please always listen to your body. From my personal experience, yes, I felt like I lost some weight because I didn't eat any food for 3 days. But I don't recommend fasting for weight loss because after fasting, you might want to eat more than before, or I believe even before fasting, we need to stop eating animals or processed food first so that you can experience more spirituality. If you are interested in burning fat, you can also check the video in the description box. I haven't measured or counted exactly. I drank an average of 3 liters. Please always listen to your body. If you can find nice spring water, I think that's the best. I drank filtered water. It is said that it is always best to avoid water in plastic. Now, if you are ready to do water fasting to become more beautiful and elegant, I am going to show you 3 simple steps to follow. To do water fasting successfully with elegance and ease, the most important thing is to have clear vision and a purpose. What results or outcome would you like to have from the water fasting? Maybe you want to be more clear about your life or detox emotionally. For me personally, as I mentioned, I wanted to let go of negative feelings and have my clarity in my business. And if you are more clear and specific details or outcome, the results are better. You can always keep a journal for the result you want to have from the water fasting, and it is always great to keep a journal during the water fasting as well. Especially on day 2 or day 3, you may feel so much hunger. But please remember that it is just a sensation in your body. And as long as you are drinking water, it's completely safe. And you can take a sip of water when you feel true hunger. Let's take a deep breath, relax more, and anticipate the spiritual experience you will soon have. Fasting is not like pushing yourself to endurance. Of course, you will be able to develop an elegant discipline mindset, but it is a more self-love practice that allows you to connect deeply with your body, mind, and spirit. It's perfectly okay to do it little by little. You can even start by eating less processed food. Try to stop eating after 6 p.m., try intermittent fasting, or add more fresh fruits and vegetables to your diet. I promise you, if you do this, you will have more true energy and vitality. And even if you start water fasting, you don't have to wait exactly 72 hours to break it. 70 hours is still great. So please always listen to your body and stay focused on the outcome you want from the water fasting experience. Now you might be wondering, Mana, I want to try water fasting in the future, but not now, but still want to try something else. I got you, my goddess friend. Here is the bonus fasting you can try immediately. If you love the topic of detox and want to cleanse your life, I highly recommend watching this video. And another thing you can do is input fasting. In this era, it is so easy to input not only food, but also a lot of information from all the digital devices we use almost every day. Input is what makes you you. You can start to gradually stop looking at your phone little by little and practice connecting with your truth. You can always take time just for yourself with journaling, asking a lot of beautiful questions about you and your life. And as I mentioned in step 3, as a preparation for water fasting, you can start to eat less and add more fresh fruits and vegetables. If you want to try, I highly truly recommend water fasting for you. After you have done this, you will be able to pay attention to what makes you happy and joyful, and you will only want to input what's best for you. As elegant ladies, let's only input beauty, love, gratitude, positive uplifting energy, and what truly resonates with your soul. If you enjoyed today's video, thank you so much. If you would love to learn more from me, please watch other videos and check out the best course, How to Be Your True Self. This course is meticulously designed to help you be your truest, the most authentic, healthiest, beautiful version of yourself. You will be able to have more than 80 pages of the workbook. All the questions in the workbook inspire and help you to unprogram yourself from social and cultural norms and come back to who you truly are. If you are interested, please scan the QR code or link in the description box. I am so excited to help you and see you in the course as well. If you have any questions about water fasting, please feel free to ask me in the comment section below. And if you have done it, please share your experience with us. What your experiences was like. I am so excited to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching until the end. I am always grateful to you. Until next time, stay beautiful and have a wonderful day, my goddess friend.